Snowflakes begin as water vapor molecules, drifting in clouds, gathering, branching, freezing in place. Each one is built by temperature, humidity, and time, a tiny crystal of geometry and chance. Most snowflakes vanish within seconds of touching down, but this one didn't. It was preserved, its exact structure, shape, and symmetry before time or warmth could change it. A single moment of winter, kept intact through science and precision, so it can be seen, studied, and held. In 1979, an Icelandic chemist named Tryggvi Emilsson made something extraordinary happen. He preserved a real snowflake, not a photo, but the snowflake's full physical form using a thin polymer resin. The process had to happen at freezing temperatures. First, the snowflake was carefully collected onto a chilled glass slide. Then a tiny amount of liquid polymer was dropped over it.